So here is the app, Status, Sims, but social media. Kind of new, interesting, viral app. Here it is. On Status, your faves are your followers. Create your persona, join hundreds of different fandoms, and watch as you gain your favorite characters. Followers post with them, become famous, or get cancelled. So this is the app, kind of quite interesting. You can open it up and you just create an account, and I try to play with it a bit. And then this is like you create your persona. You just select your persona, and you see all your actions, you see all your activity, and then you just basically play it like a Sims game. And then that's the idea. And then you just go in here, and then you add in some kind of things, like for example event, and then for example this is a question, and this is like you can have some suggestions from AI, and then just have it like that. And then also you can just post something and get points for that. And then you just go in here. So this is like your active scenario. You can also start a new scenario. You can participate in different kind of fandoms. For example, like all kind of fun fandoms where you participate. So just select in here, and then unlock your first character. Or you can create, and then yeah, if you want, you can unlock it. This character is public, and then just basically create in it. So that's the idea. And then just go through it and play with it. If you want to get more energy, then yeah, you can always just buy the coffee and support the app. This is kind of the app, kind of simple to use, but that's what it is. And then you just have it in here. You have all the goals, you have all the actions, you have the milestones. Then you have the schedule, what you're planning. So yeah, this is like, yeah, that's the app, kind of full of AI replies, and that's the idea. Quite interesting. Basically, if you played Sims, to be honest, I didn't play Sims. Like it should make more sense to you. Where in this app you just create your scenarios, like visionary, like world, and then you just participate in it, kind of like social media. So that's the idea.